guys, it's Rachel here. So in today's video, it's gonna be another unboxing video, and I'll be unboxing Park Jihoon's solo album 𝒎𝒐𝒃. So here I have with me like 8 albums. Okay, I already opened one of them because I was too excited, so yeah. But anyways, I'll still show you guys what photo card I got from this album. So yeah. And besides the album, they also come with like posters. So there are 2 different designs for the posters, and hopefully I think I have both designs in here because I bought so many albums. But we shall open them and see together later on. Yep. Okay, so we're gonna just start by going through the first album, which was the one that I already opened. I already know what photo card is in here. So for the first album, I don't know why I still feel excited, like although I already know what photo card I got. But anyways, his album like opens like this, and it's really cool. There's like a ribbon tab here, and I am not looking into the camera, but like there's a ribbon tab here for you to pull out like that. And then when you open it, there's this clear plastic thing, and the photo book. This is the photo book. I won't go through the photo book because there's like way too many pictures in here, but he looks extremely good in all the photos. Yeah. Okay, anyways, so it also comes with like 3 postcards, and the designs are the same for all the albums. So open it for you guys. These are the 3 designs of the postcard. There's this one. Can you guys see? It's quite glary because like I'm facing the window, but yep. And here's the CD. It's really pretty, and like there's like a marble background kind of thing going on here. And lastly, the photo card. So here's the photo card. I should put it behind the photo book. Yep. Here's the photo card. And like I said in the earlier part of the video, there are like 8 different photo cards. So this is just one of the designs, and I'll be opening up the rest of the albums now. Alright, so I changed the angle of the video, and we're just gonna start opening all these albums. So let's just start with the first one. I mean, all the albums, like the content is the same, it's just that the photo card is different. So yep, okay, oh my god, it's stuck to my hand. Okay, so here's the second album, and you guys can see it clearer now. Alright, yep, all the content is the same except for the photo card. Oh my god, it's the blue suit. Okay. Wait, hold on. I need to come down and I need to put all of this back into the album first. Okay, so this is the second photo card that I got. Oh my gosh, I really like him in this like blue color suit. It looks super good. Okay, so that's the second photo card. I'm just gonna like display the photo cards that I get right here so that you guys can see. Hold on, how do I do this? Okay, I'm just gonna put it here. Please don't drop. Alright, okay, that's the second album. Let me just close that back. I'll put it right there. Okay, so let's open the third album. I really hope that I got the one that he's like wearing this black color sweater with like the choker. Oh my god, that one looks... I saw people getting that photo card. I'm like, I wanted to. Alright. Third album. Let's see. Ooh! Okay, it's also the white outfit one. This is photo card number 1. Oh, I think there's numbers on the photo card. Wait, hold on. Let me look at these two. Alright, so this one's number 1. Oh wait, all of this is number 1. Oh wait, what? Oh, there's no numbers. Okay. Oops. I thought I saw numbers on the photo card, but it's just the album. Alright, I'll just pretend that I didn't do that, okay? So, I got these 3 now. Alright. Okay, I want to open like the rest like now. Okay. How do I put this back? Oh wait, I put it the wrong way. Okay, third album down. Next album. Okay, let's open the next one. Oh wait. What is wrong with me? Okay, let's open this. This is album number 4. I really want the black choker. Please give me at least one with that outfit. I really love that outfit. And there's another outfit that is like the red suit one. That one looks really good too. Wait, is it the same photo card? Is it the same one? It's the same one. It's the same one. Okay, so it's the same one as that one. The third one that I opened. Okay, I'll just put it there. Oh my god, please don't tell me that everything else is the same. Please don't tell me that everything else is the same. I don't want to have so many duplicates of the same photo card. So that's 1 duplicate already. That means that I won't get all 8 photo cards today. Which means I have to go find someone to trade with and stuff. Or maybe I could ask my friends. See what they get. Alright. This is album number... Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is album number 5. It's the same one again. Oh my god, please don't tell me everything is the same. No. I don't want. Please. I'm left with like three more albums. Please. Please don't be the same one, please. Please don't be the same one. I can't believe everything is the same. Like, why? Oh my god, please, no. It's the same photo card! Oh my god. Oh my god, I give up like putting the albums back already. I just want to open everything now. I swear, if everything is the same, I'm gonna just like... I don't know what to do. Please, I don't want it to be the same photo card. Oh my god, wait, I got the blue one again. Okay, I mean it's not the same one, but it's still the same because I got it already. Am I really gonna just have like 3 designs of photo cards after opening 8 albums? Why? Why? Please, last album, guys. I didn't even get the ones that I really wanted, like the red suit one and the black choker outfit. Guys, it's the same photo card. For like the... Oh my god, I have 5 of the same photo card. 2 of this blue color and like 1 of this. Why? So here are all the photo cards that I got after unboxing like 8 albums. So I have 2 of this, 5 of this, and 1 of this. Yeah. And here's the mess that I created while unboxing everything. So yeah, I gotta go pack that. And before I do that, and before I end this video, let's just open the poster up and we'll see which design we get. So okay, don't mind the like mountain of albums right there. It's kind of messy now. I don't even know like. Okay, let me just oh my god, stuck. Okay, let me just kind of try to clear this up a little. Okay, so I popped the top of the wrong way, the poster tube, and let's just see which posters I get. So I already can tell that this one is the red suit one, so yeah, and that one is wrapped in a plastic like really nicely, so I'm just not gonna open that one up. And here are all the posters. Is everything the same poster? Oh no, it's not the same, okay. I thought they gave me everything the same. I'm gonna cry literally. They gave me everything, like every single photo card is the same photo card. And if all the posters are the same, I'm just gonna give up, okay. Okay, so I have both designs. Just take that out. Okay. I'll just put these aside first. I have both designs of the poster, and this one is the red suit one. Oh my gosh, he looks so cool in this photo. Save me. Alright, so that's the first design, and this is the second design. Oh my god, it's the bathrobe one. Okay, guys, just look at that. I'm gonna die. Literally. They saved me. Oh my god. He looks so good, but my room has like no space at all to put up any posters, so I'm just gonna keep these in my poster tube and I don't know, take them out when I feel like it. Anyways, that's it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this like really random video of me unboxing some albums, and it's the first time I'm doing an album unboxing on my channel, so if there's anything that I can improve on, comment down below. And yeah, but I don't think I'll be doing an album unboxing anytime soon, or maybe, oh wait, I think maybe I think there's gonna be an album unboxing really soon, but like it's not gonna be 8 albums like this. It's probably just gonna be like 1. So yeah, anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So do give this video a big thumbs up if you guys enjoy more like K-pop related stuff like this on my channel. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!